Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kids Zone. If you love hearty, delicious breakfasts that are quick and easy to make, then you're in for a treat. Today, we are diving into McCann's instant Irish oatmeal, maple flavor. Let's see if this breakfast staple lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk packaging. McCann's has a classic, almost rustic design. You can instantly tell it's got that traditional Irish charm. The box is sturdy, and it clearly displays all the nutritional info and serving suggestions. Right here, we see it's 100% whole grain and a good source of fiber, which is fantastic for a healthy start to your day. And look at this, no artificial colors or flavors. Now, let's prepare this. Each box comes with 10 individual packets, perfect for busy mornings or for taking on the go. The instructions are super simple. Just add hot water, stir, and wait for a minute or two. Or you can microwave it if you prefer, and there we have it. A steaming bowl of maple-flavored oatmeal in no time. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, this is really good. The maple flavor is just right, not too sweet, and it is that authentic, rich taste. The oats are perfectly cooked, not mushy at all. You can tell this is high-quality oatmeal. One packet is 150 calories, 3 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber. It's also low in saturated fat and has no cholesterol. Plus, oats are great for your heart and help keep you full throughout the morning. So, what are the pros and cons of McCann's instant Irish oatmeal, maple flavor? Let's break it down. Quick and easy to prepare, delicious, authentic maple flavor, high in fiber and whole grains. Convenient. Individual packets might be too sweet for some, a bit pricier compared to other brands. Overall, I'm really impressed with McCann's instant Irish oatmeal. It's a fantastic option if you're looking for a quick, nutritious breakfast that doesn't compromise on taste. I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. If you've tried this oatmeal, let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our delicious reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.